Around 70 people have now been diagnosed with measles in the Lancaster-Lebanon outbreak, prompting health officials to expand vaccination efforts across the region. Fox 43's Kyle Ennis has details of the state's response and what doctors say you should do to protect yourself.
State health officials say their response to the measles outbreak isn't slowing down.
These are people. They're not numbers. They are children, parents, neighbors, and friends. And unfortunately, there is only supportive treatment when you get measles. There's no fast cure.
On Friday, Pennsylvania Department of Health and pediatricians held a briefing in Lancaster County, giving an update on the outbreak spread. Since late April, more than 60 cases have been linked to the Lancaster-Lebanon outbreak, including nearly 40 in Lancaster County. Statewide, 84 cases have been confirmed.
In my 30 years as a pediatrician, I saw only one patient diagnosed with measles.
Health officials say that shows just how rare measles had become before this outbreak.
In fact, if an unvaccinated person is in a room with someone who has measles, there is a 90% chance that they too will get the measles.
Experts say 2 doses of the MMR vaccine provide about 97% protection against measles. To help boost immunity, the state has expanded access through pop-up clinics and state health centers, administering more than 430 MMR vaccines in the Lancaster-Lebanon region over the past 2 months, and more than 1,300 statewide this year. Early symptoms include fever, runny nose, red eyes, and a rash that starts on the face.
We've had patients with measles who required hospitalization for several days due to serious electrolyte abnormalities, kidney and liver dysfunction, as well as blood count abnormalities, which left them exposed to serious organ failures.
If you think you or your child may have measles, call your healthcare provider before seeking care.
Calling your doctor's office, urgent care, or emergency department in advance allows healthcare teams like ours to prepare.
Kyle Ennis, Fox 43 News.